Alright, let's be honest. If your headlights are cloudier than your future, we got a damn problem. People out here driving like they got wax paper taped to their headlights and then wonder why they can't see shit at night.
They're not that bad.
Jules, they look like your headlights have been crying in the rain since 2007. Here's what you need: toothpaste, microfiber towel, water, and maybe a little dignity if you've been ignoring this problem for 3 years. And don't use that fancy gel shit either. Get the grainy bargain bin paste. You want it to feel like you're exfoliating a rhino's kneecap. Start by giving the headlight a quick wipe. Get all the bug guts, dirt, and sadness off. Don't skip this. You don't want to be rubbing toothpaste into bird shit like it's a spa day. Now slap that toothpaste on the headlight like you're icing a cake. If the cake was made of shame and polycarbonate plastic. Scrub in circles, not like a maniac, but firm. Pretend your grandma's judging you.
Wait, this actually works?
Yeah. I didn't make this up, Jules. Chris Fix has a PhD in YouTube University, and even he does it. After a couple minutes of scrubbing, rinse that sucker off with clean water. Now, step back. Admire it. Smirk like you just pulled off a $300 detail job for $5 and some elbow grease. Now your car doesn't look like it's wearing foggy grandma glasses. You're welcome. If you liked that, there's more where that came from.